There are times you need to reset your iPad, iPad mini, or iPad Pro to make it new again. And then, you forgot the Apple ID password that's required to do the resetting. If that's the case, resetting the Apple ID password could take you lots of time and effort. Well, this video will show you how to reset an iPad without the Apple ID password fast and easily with just a few clicks. 1. Permanently reset iPad without the Apple ID password with iMyFone LockWiper. When it comes to unlocking an iPad, always come to iMyFone LockWiper first. It will unlock your iPad's Apple ID or screen passcode with just a few clicks. To reset your iPad, LockWiper utilizes the Unlock Apple ID mode, which can remove the Apple ID from your current iPad without a password while finishing the iPad resetting process. First, launch iMyFone LockWiper and select the Unlock Apple ID mode. Then connect your iPad to the computer. Click on Start Unlock and follow the on-screen instructions. iMyFone LockWiper will finish resetting without an Apple ID within a few minutes. If you're using iOS 11.4 or above, make sure you've turned on two-factor authentication and set up screen passcode. If you'd like to try this method, click the download link below in the description. 2. Reset iPad without Apple ID using iTunes. Step 1. Launch iTunes and connect your iPad to the computer. Step 2. Click on the phone icon and go to Summary. Step 3. Click on Restore iPad and follow the on-screen instructions. This method could take a much longer time, and it may fail due to its low success rate. 3. Tips you should know for resetting an iPad. Can I directly use iTunes to do the reset? Ensure that you have the latest version of iTunes on your computer or Mac if you want to use the iTunes option to do a factory reset. What should I do before resetting? Back up your important information before resetting to avoid losing them permanently. You do this because resetting the iPad will wipe out all data with the aim of restoring the device to its factory settings. Will resetting the iPad also erase the data in the iCloud? Some people might be worrying that the factory reset will also erase the data stored in iCloud. Don't worry, iCloud can be used to back up your data. Well, that's all for this video. If you're facing some iPad problems and you don't know how to deal with them, feel free to leave your comments below. All right, I'll see you next time.